Hello and welcome to Olibr. Today we'll help you decide whether to choose Ruby or Python for web development. According to GitHub's June 2023 Popularity of Programming Language, PYPL, Python holds a 27.99% market share and ranks among the most searched programming languages on Google. On the other hand, Ruby holds a meager 0.98% of the market share as per the TOIBE Index. Even though there is a huge difference in their market share, Ruby and Python stand neck to neck in fulfilling the expectations of many companies. What is Ruby? Ruby is a popular general-purpose, high-level programming language known for its productivity and simplicity. Developed in the year 1995 by Yukihiro Matsumoto, Ruby is popular among developers and businesses for its easy-to-read and elegant syntax. Pros and cons of Ruby. Pros. Ruby is open source, easy to learn, and has extensive features for out-of-the-box web development. It uses a JavaScript interpreter, supports built-in projection against CSRF, XSS, and SQL injections, and is great for full-stack development. Cons. Ruby is not suitable for multithreading. Its syntax is complex and doesn't catch errors during runtime. Moreover, it is difficult to find its libraries and debug. Ruby has a limited talent pool. Real-life use cases of Ruby. Ruby is used by leading companies such as GitHub, SoundCloud, Shopify, Airbnb, eBay, and more. When should I use Ruby? You can use Ruby for the following scenarios. It is highly advantageous for fast prototyping and minimum viable product (MVP) development. It makes an ideal choice for building fully functional apps for startup companies. It can also be used to develop commercial mid-sized apps. What is Python? Python is a high-level programming language, developed in the year 1991. Due to its robust tools and extensive libraries, it is widely used for machine learning, automation, and data science. Moreover, it offers flexibility for developers to choose between modules or packages for organizing the codebase and reuse it in other applications. Pros and cons of Python. Pros. Python is highly scalable, easy to debug and maintain, supports multiple operating systems, has extensive libraries, and is best for machine learning, data science, and AI. It has simpler syntax than Java, C++, and C. Cons. Python isn't always secure, needs careful attention to memory in projects, can be tricky for beginners to set up, might have problems with garbage collection, isn't great for mobile development, shows more errors while running, can be tough to handle design issues, doesn't support mobile computing, and could make apps run slower. Real-life use cases of Python. Python is used by leading companies including Google, Instagram, NASA, Netflix, Shopify, and more. When should I use Python? Python makes a great choice for the following applications. Due to its extensive framework and libraries, it is widely used in the fields of data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. It works well with projects that require different programming languages with complex architecture. Python combined with Django can create scalable and robust web applications. It's suitable for automation systems and scripting tasks. Similarities between Ruby and Python. Both languages have cross-platform compatibility and multiple platform support. Both Python and Ruby allow the use of a variable in the program without declaring it in the beginning. Both of them are approved and available under FSF and OSI licenses. Both are dynamically typed languages and follow the rules of object-oriented programming. Ruby versus Python, which language should you learn? If you have set your short-term goal to step into the market with some expertise in web app development, Ruby would be an ideal choice. It has excellent frameworks with strong support that can assist during the development phase. You can learn Python if you're curious to build a career in data science and scientific computing. Final verdict. Ruby and Python are widely known for their simple syntax and high-level programming. Nevertheless, Python with its extensive library support and powerful tools outshines Ruby in terms of business growth. Though there is always an ongoing debate on Ruby versus Python, the choice between these two solely lies in your project requirements. For more enlightening reads, head over to our blog at olibr.com/blog. And hey, if you're on the hunt for exciting job opportunities, jump over to olibr.com and sign up. Unearth your potential, ignite your passion. Join our vibrant community across LinkedIn, YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and Threads. Stay tuned for more exciting tech insights. Like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates. Until next time, keep innovating.